Welcome! In today's SPSS video tutorial, we will be focusing on select cases option usage. This is useful when you are selecting a subset of data from your full data sheet. For an example, you can select first 5 or 10 cases or 10% of your total data, or else you can give a condition and select data. To begin with, prior to this selection, you can see at the right hand top corner there's no selection or such notation, but after selecting cases you will notice a difference. For selecting cases, go to data, select cases, and you can select whatever the method out of these 4 selection methods. First, we will be using if condition is satisfied. So select that one. Thereafter, what we can do is we can select that we'll be selecting gender, and here we have coded 1 for males. So we'll be selecting here sex equals to 1, and this will be analyzing data on male counterparts. So we'll be continuing, and once you press OK, you will be getting the details. Prior to that, this focus now is on output. Output also could be arranged in several ways. First one, filter out unselected cases, meaning that all unselected cases will be strike through. Second, copy selected cases to a new data set. If you wish, you can get it by that way. Final one is delete unselected cases, so that you will be losing unselected cases. So we will be selecting only the first one, filter out option, and press OK. So now you will be noticing filter on mark at the right hand bottom side. So it has already been selected only the male counterparts for further analysis. For an example, we can analyze descriptives. Analyze descriptive statistics, frequencies. Then you can select whatever the variables, and you can select some of the descriptive statistic details and press OK. So you will be getting details pertinent to male respondents. And now we can check and see how other select cases method is working. Those are working. So we can again go to view, data, select cases. Instead of the if condition, now we will be selecting random sample of cases. Here you can use either approximate figure. Here we will be having 100. We are having 100 cases. So now if we specify a particular percentage like 10%, then approximately 10 figures will be analyzed or selected. Once you can give exact selection of 5 cases out of first 100. So once we proceed with this, it will be presenting 5 cases as shown here. Now here we can see this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and altogether 5 items are here. When we go by this strike-off marks are having almost 95%, and only 5 without marks, that is 4, that's 1. Thereafter 23rd, that is second. 35, third. Thereafter 81, 84, and so we are having only 5 cases as per the second method of selection under select cases. Now we will be moving to the third selection method, that is when you go to data, split file, when you go to data, select cases, you can select the third one based on time or case range. Now we will be selecting that one, and you can give, if you are going to select 2 cases, now we will be giving from 2 to, if you are selecting 5 cases, from 2, then last case is 6, and we will be continuing and press OK. So now it will be selecting 5 cases, and we have instructed it to select 5 cases excluding 1 from 2 to 6. There are 5 cases. Now we can proceed with further analysis. When you go to analyze descriptives, frequencies, and once you analyze the previous variable, now you are getting only for that 5 cases what we have selected. Now we'll be moving on to next selection methods. Data, select cases. This is the final one. Use filter variable. What does this mean is, if you are having a filter variable, that means if you have arranged gender as 0 and 1, then we can proceed the analysis for 1, that means males. So now we have already arranged. If you have a separate coding like 1 and 2, then of course you can recode into same variable. After that you are having 0 and 1, so you can proceed with this method once you recode into same variable method utilization. So now we will be using the use filter variable. Now we have selected gender or sex, and 0 for females, 1 for males. This is how we have coded. So it will be analyzing 1, that means male counterparts. Now it is there. Now if you run with the analysis, now it has selected 24 as in the previous method. There are total number of 24 cases under male category. So it will be depicting these 24 item analysis for gents. And that's it for today's discussion. So you can select cases out of all these 4 methods, and you can arrange the output out of one of these 3 methods, and you can proceed the analysis for your subset of data. Thanks for watching, and we'll be meeting you with another video.